Is your Jet and Replication Objects ADO apps broken by the Msjro Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. Before we begin our Msjro library troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the Msjro library, the Microsoft Jet Replication Objects, JRO. This legacy unmanaged module manages database replication and synchronization logic. It facilitates the orchestration of data link manifests for synchronized Microsoft Access, MDB files. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. This error indicates that a protected Windows file has been compromised. Use the official System File Checker tool. Run sfc/scan now in an administrator CMD to ensure Msjro library DLL is restored to its original verified state. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Msjro library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. If you're still getting the missing interface error after the reboot, let's re-register the file in the system hive. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, legacy interfaces require an active registry entry to be recognized by the OS. Registering the file creates the necessary pointer for the software to initialize the component. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Replacing Msjro library without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. For users seeking a more stable workstation, the utility link below references Msjro library configuration concepts. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Msjro library, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.